What up, people at the internet? This your boy DJ16. Welcome back to the channel. Good morning to you all. Today, not a lot of movers. Today is real money trading. I'll show you my account just a second. With the bar, come in. As you can see, boom. I'm trading on real margin today. 0 out. Hopefully today ends in a good day. If nothing plays to my liking today, there will be another no trade day if I don't see a setup that works towards my benefit. We have a couple of movers today. No 100% movers. One was very close. DBVT. What we're looking at right now is DBVT is 72% runner. It don't look like it's gonna be, well, we'll see. Then we got AN, PC, ISIG, BLRX, and SUP. I don't have any, I guess. No, I'm not expecting anything great out of SUP. It seemed to have been like standing right there for the last 30 minutes. We'll see. Not a lot of volume shot in after the initial, so. But we 1 minute from the bell, and I'll be back as soon as I make a trade. I'm looking at ISIG. I'm waiting till this 2 minute in. Man, it might not give it to me. I was waiting on the 2 minute to end. It ended, but now I'm looking for. Bro, look at this. Son of a gun, bro. This is one. I said 122, bro. Probably. It wouldn't even let me get in there with the buying power. What's the support number? I gotta call the support number. I tried to get in ISIG down here the first minute and make a new high, which is right here in the break above the VWAP, to catch it all the way up to 122, probably a little further, maybe up to 133. And I couldn't even get in with any of my buying power, bro. It says not enough buying power at all. But the thing is, I'm using the button here, my hotkey that's set up that says that buys on the X plus 3%. And how many shares is buying power at 95%. So I have the money. No matter what is how many buying power is this, that of this stock can get me of this amount of money. You know what I'm saying? I don't understand. So I gotta call them, and I'm not finna chase it. It got to set up. It's set up to the way that I wanted it to. I wanted to at least get up to 122. It did, and now, like, I couldn't even, bro. Couldn't get in there. Couldn't even get in there. Couldn't even get in there. That's what sucks about it. Couldn't get in there at all. Nah, I don't know.
Thank you for calling Capital Markets Elite Group.
I don't know.
Our menu options have changed. No cancellation call will be recorded
Look at
for
that.
quality assurance or training purposes.
Look at it.
For technical support or trade-related issues, press 1. For new account queries, press 2. To speak to a client service representative, press 3. For our asset management all of our customer service representatives are currently helping other customers. Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and the first available customer
Man, I can't.
will help you with your request. To leave a message, press 5.
Look at it. Okay, now it got closed. Now it's bouncing. Bunch of blue drivers.
All of our customer service representatives are currently helping other customers. Your call.
Hi, Capital Markets. This is William Insurance speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, sir. I'm having a problem out of my trading platform or whatever. It's every time I go in for a trade, it tells me that not enough buying power. But the thing is, I got it set up to where it uses nothing but my buying power that's available to me.
Okay. And this is with the DAS platform?
Yes, it's on Dash. Dash, yeah.
Okay, so currently DAS is having some issues with regards to more clients with their buying power on the simulator account. So currently they are working on the situation to have this rectified as soon as possible. Once this is done, you will be informed, okay?
Okay, thank you. You said, y'all gonna inform us by email?
Yes, email or phone call.
Okay, all right, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
All right, yeah, you too. Bye. All right, man. So there you have it. So it's I just got off phone with the representative. So I know this is why I know it ain't my buying power. I should have been in there and I should have made some money today. But come to find out, the problem isn't us. And the problem isn't CMEG. It's the Dash trading platform. They having problems this morning. So this play on ISIG, which I said I was going to get in around about here, 115, 116. It's going to be up to 122, which I was going to consider either going out half out on, because it's not really a full through pullback to my liking, but it's a good enough pullback where to give you about 8 to 10 cents. I was going to use my buying power on that. Get in here, get out up here. Of course, it went higher, and it's gonna. And I said that I was probably gonna go half out. It's gonna go all the way up to 133 off this resistance lines at 133 and bounce off, and probably be the end of the day for it. But I couldn't get in. As you can see over here, I mean, if you're watching the video, then you know that I've been trying to get in 1, 2, 3, 4 times on this play, and I could not get in because DasTrader is having a problem today. They said they were gonna shoot us an email when it's done. Man, it's already 9:75, 9:58. It's almost 10 o'clock. It probably ain't gonna be fixed, but before 10:30. So my trading is pretty much done for the day. Not due to my fault or CMEG's fault. Is DasTrader's. They're having a problem this morning, and hopefully they get it fixed. Cause it was a good play. I'm looking at it, and I'm like, you know what, I can play that, and I'm over here looking and seeing if anything things on come out the bounce, like ANPC. Is it gonna bounce off here? I don't know. I mean, at this point, I'm not even interested in it because I can't have the possibility of playing it right now. So I'm a little disappointed that I missed a play again today. It feels kind of us because I bet you as soon as everything goes right, DasTrader get their stuff together. I know there's gonna always be plays. There's another time to trade. There's another time to make up for the things that you didn't see. The market always gives you opportunity to make money, but it also takes the opportunity to take your money. So I felt really good about that play, but what was it? Was it Friday? No, it was Thursday. I thought I was trading with real money, and I thought I would have made $130 Thursday. And CMEG didn't give me my buying power completely until Thursday at 10 o'clock. By that time, the moves that I already made was over with. So. And it looks like ANPC is dying in a way, so. ISIG. And I can get in this play. This makes it hurt even more, bro, that I could have been in this play. It hurt. It makes it hurt even more. Even more. But whatever. Alright, guys, man. That's it for me today. I hope y'all had a better day. If you I guess Thinkorswim or Sterling or something else, I hope y'all had a better day today. And I'll see you tomorrow, man. Peace.